unveiling the hidden secrets of space. Join me as I dive deep into the cosmos to uncover space secrets you probably never knew existed. Space, the final frontier, is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. And today, we're going to explore some of the most mind-blowing secrets that are often overlooked or unknown, but matter in a big way. Have you ever stopped to think about how much of our understanding of space is based on assumptions and misconceptions? We've all been guilty of perpetuating certain myths about the cosmos, from thinking that the moon is always full to believing that astronauts are weightless in space. But what if I told you that these myths are just the tip of the iceberg? There's so much more to space than we're often led to believe, and it's time to separate fact from fiction. One of the biggest challenges in understanding space is that it's virtually impossible to replicate its conditions on Earth. We can't create a black hole in a lab, nor can we simulate the intense heat and pressure of a star. That's why it's essential to rely on observations, simulations, and a healthy dose of scientific curiosity to get to the bottom of some of space's biggest mysteries. But there's another problem. Our brains are wired to understand things in a linear fashion, whereas space operates on a completely different wavelength. It's governed by laws of physics that are vastly different from our everyday experiences, making it tough for us to wrap our heads around some of its most fundamental concepts. Let's delve into some of the most fascinating secrets about space. Did you know that dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, yet we know so little about it? Or how about the possibility of parallel universes, where every decision we make creates a new reality? It's a mind-boggling concept that challenges our understanding of reality itself. And then there are black holes, those cosmic monsters that warp space-time in ways we can barely comprehend. From their event horizons to their singularities, black holes are the ultimate enigma, and scientists are still scratching their heads trying to figure out their secrets. But there's one secret that stands out above the rest, one that will challenge everything you thought you knew about space. Are you ready for it? Here it is. The universe is expanding at an ever-accelerating rate, and it's going to keep expanding indefinitely. That's right, folks. The cosmos is getting bigger and bigger, and we're just along for the ride. This realization is so profound because it changes our entire perspective on the universe and our place within it. It's no longer a static, unchanging entity. Instead, it's a dynamic, ever-evolving beast that's full of surprises. And if that isn't mind-blowing, I don't know what is. So, what did we learn today? We uncovered some of the most fascinating secrets about space, from dark matter to parallel universes and black holes. We explored the challenges of understanding space and the misconceptions that often cloud our judgment. Which of these space secrets surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more, be sure to check out my video on the latest breakthroughs in space exploration. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey, and I'll catch you in the next video.